Travel in 2026 isn't just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about how much of your home comfort you can fit into a backpack without losing your mind or your luggage. We've moved past the era of bulky tech and just-in-case overpacking. Today, the smartest travelers are carrying gear that's smaller, faster, and more versatile than anything we saw just 2 years ago. Whether you're a digital nomad hitting a Tokyo cafe or a weekend warrior heading into the wild, these are the gadgets redefining the journey. First up, let's talk about the ultimate space saver that's saving everyone's lungs and luggage space, the Vack rechargeable wireless pump. If you've ever tried to manually compress a vacuum bag or blow up a poolside lounger in the heat, you know it's a nightmare. The Vack changes the game. It's roughly the size of a lemon, but packs enough pressure to shrink your clothes down to half their volume in seconds. Because it's wireless and USB-C rechargeable, you're not hunting for an outlet in a cramped hotel closet. It's a dual-purpose beast, too. It inflates everything from travel pillows to air mattresses, making it the MVP for the hotel hopper and the camper. But what about when the sun goes down and you're stuck in a tiny Airbnb with nothing but a grainy smartphone screen? That's where the Orzen Zip Trifold portable projector comes in. This is 2026 engineering at its peak. Most portable projectors are either too dim or too bulky, but the Orzen Zip uses a unique trifold design that allows it to collapse into a footprint no bigger than a smartphone. When unfolded, it throws a crystal-clear 1080p image onto any flat surface. It's designed for the traveler who wants a cinema experience in a tent or a presentation tool that fits in a jacket pocket. With built-in keystone correction that handles the angles for you, you're looking at a 100-inch screen that you can literally carry in your palm. Finally, for the audiophiles who are tired of their phone battery dying mid-flight, we have the Metchin 96GB MP3 player. You might think dedicated music players are a thing of the past, but in 2026, the digital detox movement is huge. This device is for the traveler who wants to save their phone battery for navigation and emergency calls. With 96 gigabytes of internal storage, you can carry over 20,000 high-fidelity songs without ever needing a Wi-Fi connection. It's rugged, features a dedicated DAC for superior sound quality, and the battery life lasts for days, not hours. It's the perfect companion for long train rides across Europe or flights where the in-flight entertainment is just a broken screen and a soggy sandwich. Organization is the secret language of the stress-free traveler, and the Epica Trip Cozy compression packing cubes are the ultimate translators. Most packing cubes just categorize your mess, but these actually eliminate it. Made from a tear-resistant, high-density nylon with reinforced YKK zippers, the Epica Trip Cozy system uses a secondary compression zipper to bleed out every last liter of excess air. It's like having a vacuum sealer without the machine. You're not just packing clothes, you're optimizing volume. This means you can finally fit that extra jacket or a week's worth of outfits into a standard carry-on, bypassing the dreaded baggage claim entirely. In 2026, traveling light isn't a suggestion, it's a competitive advantage. But what happens when you step out of the airport and into a sudden downpour? Most travel umbrellas are either too flimsy to survive a breeze or too bulky to carry just in case. Enter the Bowini Travel Essentials Mini Umbrella. This isn't just an accessory, it's a feat of micro-engineering. When folded, it's roughly the size of a smartphone and weighs less than a roll of quarters. But don't let the size fool you. It features a 6-rib fiberglass frame that's designed to flex rather than snap in high winds. The canopy is coated with a high-tech hydrophobic layer that sheds water instantly, so you can fold it up and put it right back in your pocket without soaking your pants. It's the kind of invisible protection that makes a rainy day in London or Tokyo feel like a minor atmospheric detail rather than a trip ruiner. And for those of us who refuse to start the day with subpar hotel sludge, the AeroPress coffee maker remains the undisputed king of the morning ritual. In its 2026 Go iteration, it's even more streamlined for the road. For the uninitiated, the AeroPress uses a patented immersion and pressure process to extract the richest, smoothest coffee you've ever tasted in about 60 seconds. It's virtually indestructible, made of high-grade, BPA-free polypropylene, and it's self-cleaning. Whether you're on a balcony in Bali or a high-speed train through the Alps, you have a professional-grade espresso or Americano at your fingertips. It's light, it's compact, and it turns every morning into a 5-star experience regardless of where you woke up. Now that you've got your caffeine fix, it's time to talk about the look. We've all been there, trying to protect a pair of expensive shades in a crowded backpack, only to find them crushed by a laptop charger. Foldies classic folding sunglasses solve the one problem every traveler has with eyewear: volume. These aren't your cheap, flimsy gas station glasses. They feature high-quality polarized lenses and a frame that feels premium, yet they fold down into a package no larger than a pack of gum. It's a magic trick for your pocket. You get that timeless, sophisticated silhouette when they're on, and zero bulk when they're off. In the fast-paced world of 2026 travel, having gear that adapts to your environment without requiring a dedicated hard case is the ultimate flex. Of course, looking good doesn't matter if you lose your bag. In 2026, losing your luggage is essentially a choice, and the Life 360 Tile Pro tracker is the reason why. While other trackers rely on closed ecosystems, the Tile Pro is built for the rugged, unpredictable nature of global travel. It boasts the longest range in the game and a ring that's loud enough to be heard through a thick suitcase at a busy baggage claim. But the real power is in the Life 360 network. If your gear goes missing in a foreign city, millions of devices are looking for it for you, giving you a real-time GPS pinpoint. It's water-resistant, has a replaceable battery that lasts a year, and fits on a keychain. It's that invisible layer of security that lets you actually enjoy the view instead of constantly checking your shoulder. And since we're talking about being prepared for anything, let's get into the one thing most travelers forget until it's too late: hygiene. We've all walked into a public restroom in a remote train station only to find the soap dispenser empty. Enter Fauxman antibacterial paper soap sheets. This is peak invisible travel tech. You're carrying 100 washes in a container thinner than a credit card. No liquids means no leaks in your bag, and zero issues with TSA. You just pull out a single biodegradable sheet, add a drop of water, and it transforms into a rich antibacterial lather. It's a game changer for hikers, street food lovers, and anyone who understands that staying healthy is the only way to keep the adventure going. It's small, it's smart, and it's a non-negotiable for 2026. But let's get real. You can't enjoy the destination if you spent the last 10 hours getting a neck cramp in seat 24B. The Triddle neck pillow has officially killed the U-shaped pillow era. While those bulky foam rings just push your head forward, the Triddle is scientifically designed as a travel scarf. It hides an internal support system that keeps your head in a direct, ergonomic position while you sleep upright. It's half the size of a traditional pillow and weighs almost nothing. You can wrap it around your neck or attach it to your backpack strap. It's the difference between landing in a new country feeling like a zombie and stepping off the plane ready to explore. It's minimalistic, it's machine washable, and it's the only way to fly long haul in 2026. And while we're talking about comfort, let's solve the most annoying part of packing: the shampoo explosion. We've all opened our suitcase to find our favorite lotion covering our clean clothes. The Hutai travel bottle set is the engineering solution to that mess. These aren't your standard plastic bottles that crack under pressure. They are made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone that's flexible enough to squeeze out every last drop, but tough enough to handle cabin pressure changes. The 3-layer leak-proof cap and no-drip valve ensure that what's inside stays inside. They're TSA approved and come in different colors, so you never mistake your face wash for your sunscreen again. It's a simple fix for a massive headache, allowing you to breeze through security and keep your gear pristine. To carry those leak-proof bottles and hygiene essentials, you need a home that's as organized as your itinerary. The Zemo travel toiletry bag is the vertical solution to the horizontal mess of traditional kits. In 2026, counter space is a luxury, especially in boutique hotels or sleeper trains. The Zemo features a 360-degree metal swivel hook, allowing you to hang your entire grooming station anywhere. It's built with water-resistant honeycomb fabric and divided into 4 distinct compartments with transparent windows. You aren't digging, you're selecting. It keeps your dry items dry and your damp items isolated, ensuring that even if you're catching a red-eye flight, you can freshen up with the efficiency of a pit crew. But how do you document all these high-speed transitions? While smartphones have great cameras, the Canon PowerShot V10 is the 2026 choice for the serious content creator who wants to remain low profile. It doesn't look like a camera, it looks like a futuristic remote. This vertical-first 4K vlogging powerhouse fits in your pocket but delivers the depth and color science of a professional rig. It features a built-in stand so you can set it down on a cafe table or a mountain ledge and start filming instantly. With large diameter stereo mics and enhanced wind filters, your voice stays crisp even in the middle of a bustling market. It's the ultimate tool for capturing the vibe without the intimidation factor of a giant lens in someone's face. The final piece of the 2026 travel puzzle is the heartbeat of your kit, the Anker 65-watt 3-port charger. We are officially done with the days of carrying a different brick for every device. Using GaN, gallium nitride, technology, Anker has shrunk a massive amount of power into a plug that fits in the palm of your hand. This single hub can fast charge your laptop, your phone, and your earbuds all at the same time. It's intelligent enough to distribute power where it's needed most, ensuring your MacBook gets the juice it needs while your camera tops off. It's the one-and-done solution that clears the cable clutter from your bag and ensures you're never tethered to a terminal wall for longer than a few minutes. Travel in 2026 isn't about the things you carry, it's about the friction you remove from your journey. Each of these 15 gadgets serves a single purpose: to let you focus on the sunset, the city, and the experience rather than the logistics. From vacuum-packed clothes to 4K memories in your pocket, the right gear turns a stressful trip into a seamless adventure. If you're ready to upgrade your next journey, check the links in the description for the full 2026 travel kit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay ahead of the curve on the latest tech and travel strategies. Safe travels, and we'll see you at the next destination.